Today is the beginning of the 6th week, and like I said, a lot of the cosmetic changes are going to be happening. So we have completely finished all of the painting in the house, and it looks amazing. It's very airy, it's white. I love it. I love white. So the plan for this week is to focus on the bathroom. So we are going to take everything out of the bathroom, the sink, the toilet's already out. We're gonna install the hardy backer and seal it, and then we're gonna install the tile in the bathroom. So I purchased the tile for the bathroom. It's just a gloss white from HD Supply. It was like 95 cents a square foot, which is great. So I purchased that. I will show you how we're going to lay the tile down so you can get an idea of that as well. But yeah, this week is just going to be mainly focusing on installing tile into the bathroom. So again, you know, I don't want to do a lot of talking. I will just show you what the house looks like now, all painted, and what the bathroom is currently looking like as well. And sorry about the background noise. It is the gardeners cutting the grass at the park across the street. So sorry about that, but all right, enough talking. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and then I'll just give you quick updates throughout the week. But again, this week is just bathroom. So keep on watching. So we just finished painting everything, all the doors, the closets, the bedrooms, everything is just all white. We took all the plastic down, installed all the face plates on the light switches, did the gloss trim around the windows. And then in the kitchen, you can see we have painted the cupboards as well, the cabinets. So these are all painted as well. I will be buying some knobs. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do knobs or if I'm gonna do like a bar handle in here. So I will show you guys what I decide on that, and then give you the information on what I choose. And then, like I said, in the bathroom, so the main focus here is, you know, to order the bifold door here. Art has already demoed the bathroom floor. He installed the hardy backer on the floor. He sealed it so it's waterproof. And now we are going to start laying tile. So I have to figure out if I want the tile to go horizontal or vertical. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Then I need to get like the medicine cabinet, the lighting fixture. Like I said, the shower is gonna stay the way that it is right now. I'm not doing any upgrades to the shower currently because I don't think that it's a necessity, but I will have it cleaned. So right now, I'm trying to figure out the layout that I want for the tile, if I wanted to do horizontal or vertical. So I'm thinking really the horizontal will probably look a little bit better because the bathroom is really small. So I think I'm gonna go with this design rather than this design. So what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. Which would you choose? All right, everyone, so we have just finished laying all of the tile. As you can see here, it's all done. It's drying right now. So the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to grout it, and then we're gonna let it dry overnight, and then we're gonna seal it, and then the bathroom should be done. Well, the bathroom flooring should be done. Alrighty, so it's the end of the day. We just finished laying all the tile grout and we let it sit and dry, and then we wiped it down with a sponge to get the excess grout that was on there and wiped down the tile as well. So we did that 3 times. We're gonna let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow we're going to seal the grout. I think it looks really good, so let me show you what it looks like. So here you can see the grout has been installed or laid down, and we wiped down the tiles to get the excess off. We're just going to let it dry overnight. It's coming along. Alright, so today we're going to be hanging a lot of the accessories in the bathroom. So as you can see, I'm holding the medicine cabinet right now. I purchased a white one, and I also purchased just a mirrored face one. So the reason why I purchased 2 is because I like to see my options before I make my final decision. So if you can see here, if I was to like put this in here, that's what it would kind of like look like. I think it blends too much with the white walls, and then it's kind of like contrast to the trim around the windows. So I don't necessarily think that this is the best option for me. So that's why I purchased just the mirror medicine cabinet, as you can see. So if I kind of put that in, I think this one is the better option. It's more modern as well, and it doesn't clash with the walls. And then I'm gonna try and figure out which lighting fixture I'm gonna put up as well. I bought 4 different ones, so we're gonna see which one fits the best and then which one looks the best. But that is currently where we're at right now. I'll give you one more update before we leave for the day and let you know what it looks like with all the accessories up. So keep on watching. So as you can see, Art is putting some holes in this medicine cabinet because the one that I purchased is supposed to hang on the wall. Leave it to me to find what we really need.
Yes.
So he has pre-drilled some holes in the medicine cabinet. He's installing it in this little area right here. Of course, it's a little bit too small, so he had to put some fillers in there. Do you need me to hold it?
No, it's good.
Okay. So he's just gonna screw in those pre-fillers.
Voila.
There it is. All right, so I am going to be picking the fixture that's going to be going over the vanity right now. So as you guys might know, I do like options. So I purchased 4 different options. I think one is like brushed nickel, 2 chrome, and then 1 black. I just wanted to kind of get an idea of what it might look like, what the different colors might be. So I purchased 2 from Lowe's, 1 from Lamps Plus, and then 1 from Home Depot, I believe. But I can also link all of them if you like, or I can just link the one that I'm actually going to use. So let me just show you what they kind of look like. And I believe that these can be put in like standing up like this or down like this. I personally like it down. So if I put it where it's supposed to go, this one would be out because I won't be able to open the medicine cabinet. So this is a no. The next one is this brushed nickel looking one. Again, I like the light to be down. And this too would be a no because I won't be able to open the medicine cabinet. So those 2 are out. So I kind of like that one. No issues with the mirror. So this is a possible yes. And then lastly, I have this one. This has a lot more detail in it. It's kind of curved at the top. It has a lot of detail here. And I also have the same type of detail in my towel bar, so this might be the one that I go with. I don't believe I'll have an issue with the mirror opening, but I think I need to put all 3 lights just to make sure before I install it. So it's between this one and the last one. Alrighty, so another project that I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to stain the front door to a espresso color. So I purchased this poly shades. It's like an espresso gloss, but this is what I'm going to use to stain the front door to make it a little bit darker and to hide a lot of the blemishes that I see. And then I purchased a new doorknob for it, so it looks a lot more updated. This is what it looks like. So I'll show you how I am gonna stain the front door right now. I'm gonna sand it down with a sander, and then I'm gonna brush on the stain. So I'll give you a little inside peek to how I do this. Okay, so it is the end of the day for us, end of the week. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what we've done this week so far and what we completed today. So all of this week we prepped the bathroom and we laid the tile, sealed it so it's water, I guess, not proof, but water sealed it or whatever. We installed the shelves in the bathroom. We installed the medicine cabinet and the light fixture, and we put new doorknobs on all the doors, did some touch-up paint, and lastly is I painted the front door a dark espresso stain. So we've had a very busy week. We started doing demo in the kitchen to try and prepare it for flooring next week. So the goal next week is to try and prep all the floors, repair where it needs to be repaired, and then start laying the laminate floors or the vinyl floors. So it's been pretty busy, but it's definitely transforming into a beautiful home. So I'll give you a quick little walkthrough, but keep on watching. So this is what the front door is looking like now. I think it looks really good. Here you can see we started to demo the kitchen. So we're gonna pull up all of this and put new plywood. I have black knobs on all of the doors, the closet, and the bedroom doors. And then here, the tile is installed. There you go, it's waterproof. And then the shelves are installed as well. The medicine cabinet and the light fixture are in as well.